Hello, my name is Jakub Stefaniak and I have been working at EUMEPS as a technical advisor. To briefly summarize my work here, I'm in charge of legislation and standardization related to EPS building insulation, which further connects to sustainability, fire safety and insulation systems. This background uniquely equips me in navigating the legal and technical landscapes of Europe and had helped me contribute to legislative changes in the industry. The great part about working at EUMEPS is that our responsibilities are quite polyvalent, which means no 2 days are alike and there is a great variety of different things to do. Today's European building stock is energy inefficient. A quick look around the street is enough to see that. Mostly, there are old buildings with thin walls made of bricks. Bricks are a great conductor, which means there is not a huge difference between the temperature outside and inside the building. As a result, these buildings use a lot of energy and cause a lot of emissions, not only CO2 emissions, but all greenhouse gas emissions. Heating is the main offender here, and the household bills usually reflect this quite well. They are always the highest for heating, and the data reinforces this, as about 40% of European emissions come from housing. To me, EPS used in insulation is a great solution to assist in this problem. There are many different methods to make your building energy efficient. Insulation, ventilation, windows and others. Insulation remains at the top of this list. However, there is a trend currently to gravitate towards heat pumps as a solution. However, one cannot forget that they use electricity to produce heat, which is always the most expensive way to do so, especially without a well-insulated building. Therefore, the rule of thumb should always be to insulate first, then incorporate extra measures, such as the heat pump. Otherwise, the energy produced will be simply wasted and energy bills will skyrocket, which in today's economy is a real concern for citizens. A well-insulated home significantly reduces energy consumption, which in turn lowers emissions considerably. When we consider this impact on a per-building basis, the cumulative effect is substantial. The scale of insulation required to meet Green Deal targets requires a huge amount of funding. EPS is the most cost-effective material to manufacture and has one of the lowest thermal conductivity coefficients, so-called lambda value, which is why it prevents heat from escaping efficiently. Taking into account its durability, energy efficiency, cost and recyclability, EPS is the perfect teammate to tackle the twin challenge of affordability and efficiency. EPS, teammate for a greener future.